Today we are going to explore one of the most fascinating themes of the Bible: angels. Many people have wondered who these celestial beings are, what they look like, and what they do. The Bible contains a lot of information about angels, and we will delve into it now. So if you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel to receive God's message every day. Let's go. Angels are an important figure in the Bible. According to the Bible, angels are celestial beings created by God to serve as messengers, protectors, and helpers. They are often depicted as divine beings who possess great beauty and power. The Bible mentions several different types of angels, each with their own specific characteristics and functions. For example, there are angels who are responsible for worshiping God and proclaiming His glory. Others are sent to protect and guide human beings, while still others are charged with punishing sinners. According to the Bible, angels are spiritual beings, which means they do not have a physical body like ours. They are often described as having wings, which symbolizes their ability to move quickly from one place to another. They are also portrayed as being bright and radiant, reflecting the glory of God. Some of the most famous angels mentioned in the Bible include Gabriel, Michael, and Raphael. Gabriel is described as a special messenger of God, sent to announce important news. Michael is seen as a celestial warrior, responsible for protecting believers from evil forces. Raphael, on the other hand, is depicted as a divine healer, who can heal and protect human beings. While the idea of angels may seem fantastic and imaginary to some, for many Christians, the existence of these celestial beings is a fundamental belief of their faith. Angels are seen as an expression of God's love and kindness, helping to protect and guide human beings on their spiritual journey. In summary, angels are celestial beings created by God, portrayed in the Bible as messengers, protectors, and helpers. They are spiritual, without a physical body, but are described as having wings and being bright and radiant. For many Christians, the existence of angels is a fundamental belief and an expression of God's love and kindness for human beings. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, leave a like so that God's message can reach more people. Thank you very much for watching until here, and until the next video.